Hello, guys. Are you interested in reversing diabetes and hypertension? Have you heard of insulin resistance and how to reverse it? You want to prevent cardiovascular diseases and chronic kidney diseases? Do you really want to understand how the body works and how the body uses the things we eat and drink every day? Then kindly watch these videos and subscribe to this channel. My name is Albert Jerry. In this video, I'm going to talk about, is there a cure for diabetes? Now, people really want to get off medication and live a normal life because it's frustrating. They are prevented from having their normal life, like eating certain foods and stuff. First, let's look at what diabetes is. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a disease that occurs when you have glucose levels too high in your bloodstream or sugar levels in your bloodstreams are too high. So it happens when the body does not produce insulin or enough insulin, or the body produces enough insulin but is not using it efficiently or properly. There are two types of diabetes. We have type 1 and we have type 2. Type 1 is usually associated with children and it is called juvenile diabetes or insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. It means you can't do away without insulin, so they need to be taking insulin shots every day. Now, this happens when you have autoimmune disorders. That means your immune system destroys the cells that produce insulin in your pancreas, called the beta cells. Now, type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes usually occurs in adults, and it happens when the body produces less insulin than before, or it produces enough insulin but it's not using it up very well. So in that case, you have insulin in your system and your blood sugar level is high, but your body is resistant to this insulin. So you have insulin resistance. In 2024, WHO released guidance on global monitoring for diabetes prevention and control. In this framework, they've stated that diabetes is becoming a global health issue because it is increasing in prevalence and also causing premature mortality and morbidity. And this increase is mostly in low and middle income countries, and developed countries are not having much increase as compared to low and middle income countries in the past decades. They've stated in this framework that diabetes is a major cause of death, or is among the top 10 cause of death in the world globally. And it is a major cause of blindness, amputation, stroke, cardiovascular diseases, and kidney failure. Also, it is stated in this framework that diabetes can be prevented. It means diabetes can be prevented. Especially, we are talking about type 2 diabetes because this is a metabolic syndrome. A metabolic syndrome is such that it is caused by imbalance of homeostasis or metabolism through the lifestyle we live, like the things we eat, especially sugars. So let's go back to the start of the video where I talk about, is there a cure for diabetes? Now, people are actually getting off medication when they are having changes in their lifestyle because this is caused by sugar, ultra-processed foods that we consume on a daily basis, leading to insulin resistance, pre-diabetes, and diabetes. So it means that if we are able to manage the diet we eat and have regular exercise and do things the right way, we can reverse insulin resistance and diabetes and hypertension and prevent all these chronic diseases stated by our guidelines: cardiovascular diseases, stroke, kidney failures, amputations. Amputations and these diseases come up because when you have insulin resistance, you have issues with your neurons, especially in your legs, in your lower part, that can result in amputation and so on. So please stay tuned to this channel. I'll be delving more into how to live a healthy lifestyle, and how our body really responds and make use of the things that we eat, and the way forward, how you should be able to control your diet in order to reverse insulin resistance, diabetes, and prevent all these diseases that I've mentioned. So once more, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I release a new video, you will be able to get it and watch fast. Thank you.